Stop what you're doing and look at your phone. Strange way to start a video, isn't it? But it's 2026, it's not just a communication device anymore, it's a digital witness, a real snitch. Right now, by default, your phone will be logging your physical movements, it'll be showing your private 2FA codes to anyone nearby, and it'll be building a behavioural profile for advertisers. Well, today let's perform a 2026 privacy audit. We're going to toggle off 5 hidden settings that stop the data leak without breaking your apps. Hi everyone, we're OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We aim to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of the profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. First, for iPhone users, Apple has this feature called Significant Locations. It creates an end-to-end encrypted log everywhere you go frequently, like your gym, your office, your home. Not pointless and creepy at all, is it? While Apple say they can't see it, anyone who manages to get a hold of your passcode will be able to. In iOS 19, this is buried even deeper than ever. So to fix this, first go to Privacy and then Settings and Security. Then tap Location Services and scroll to the very bottom for System Services. Tap Significant Locations. This should require Face ID. Then toggle it off, and for good measure, tap Clear History as well. And don't worry about your optimised battery charging breaking. Modern iPhones now use on-device habit learning that doesn't need this specific log kept forever. Now switching over to Android, this is your ultimate privacy panic button. Since Android 15 and 16, Google has made the sensors off toggle more accessible. It's not a software block, it tells the system to stop sending power to your camera and microphone entirely. So to do this, it's a bit strange, but go to Settings and then About Phone. Then tap build number 7 times to unlock developer options. In developer options, find Quick Settings Developer Toggles and then enable Sensors Off. Now swipe down your notification tray, you have a new button. Tap that and your camera and mic are physically dark. No app, not even the OS can hear or see till you tap it again. And now for both iPhone and Android, lock screen previews. This is how most modern accounts end up getting hacked. You have 2-factor authentication on your bank account, which is great, we tell you to do that every week. But your phone is on a table and the code pops up as a notification, anyone can read it. Now to fix this on iPhone, go to Settings, Notifications, Show Previews, then set that to When Unlocked. On Android, go to Settings, Notifications, Notifications on Lock Screen, and then set to hide sensitive content. Now your phone will say something like one new message, just like your old Nokia 3210 used to. But the phone stays hidden until it sees your face or your thumbprint. It's a 10-second fix that prevents a total account takeover. We've got about 5 weeks until OneConnect's Digital Confidence programme begins. Click on the link below for more info and to sign up. But briefly, what you need to know is that it's in person, it's free, it starts in March, it runs for 15 weeks, we've got structured learning classes every Tuesday and weekly drop-ins every Friday, and again, it's free. Now Google recently changed how their location history works. They've changed the name to Timeline, and as of 2026 it's stored on your device instead of the cloud. And you know, fair play Google, that's a good move, great for privacy. But if your phone is stolen, then that data is still vulnerable. To fix this, open up Google Maps and tap on your profile picture. Then tap Your Timeline, then tap the cloud icon in the top right. Ensure encrypted backup is on, but then set auto delete to 3 months, or whatever you'd like. There's no reason for your phone to store where you were on a Tuesday 3 years ago. I'm not saying you're up to no good on that Tuesday, wink wink. I'm just saying it benefits everyone to keep their digital footprint as small as possible, so set it to auto delete. And a final one for iOS. Apple introduced stolen device protection, which was to stop thieves from using your passcode to change your Apple ID. But the default setting only works when you're away from familiar locations, as they put it. So to fix this, go to Settings, then Face ID and Postcode, tap on Stolen Device Protection. Now change Require Security Delay from Away from Familiar Locations to Always. Now, I understand Apple's logic behind this, but if a thief knew your home address, they can steal your phone and change your password while they are standing in your driveway. Setting this to Always ensures a 1 hour biometric delay no matter where you are. At the end of the day, it's difficult for these giant tech companies to stop spying on you completely, but your phone is only as secure as you make it. By making these 5 changes, you've at least closed the biggest doors that hackers and data brokers use. If you found this helpful, hit the like button so the algorithm knows that privacy matters. And last week I actually made a video about mirroring your iPhone screen on your PC, and if you'd just rather not take your phone anywhere at all, check that one out by clicking here. And get in touch with our team for personalised support. Check our website in the description below, learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books and more. Check below for more information. See you next time and stay safe.